friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, and I hope you guys are doing well today, and I hope this year has started off pretty well for all of you guys. I wish you guys nothing but love for the rest of this year. Let's hope it's going to continue going well for everybody. Let's just keep our fingers crossed. If this is your first time coming across my channel, again, my name is Odette, and I will invite you to subscribe to my channel and please turn on your notifications so you would be notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm also going to ask you to please watch the videos to the end, if that's okay with you guys. I'm trying to shift my YouTube watch time hours, and I would appreciate it because I'm trying not to make the videos too long to bore you guys too much. Okay? So in today's video, guys, I am going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Seprofe Cosmetics. This was sent to me in PR with some brushes. You guys already know about this. And to be honest with you guys, I have a feeling I'm going to be a little bit disappointed. I don't know why. I have a feeling I'm going to be disappointed. And I have a feeling all of the colors are shimmer. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. And I don't really swatch eyeshadow palettes on my hand because it comes across different on your eyes. So in the last video I used one color from here, but I did go in with a concealer and it did work. But let's see how this is going to work today. So I am just going to use something on my eyes. I'm not quite sure what. Yeah, let's use this concealer from, should I use this one? Yeah, this is from EXI. It's already here. I feel like I'm never really prepped whenever I'm doing my videos. I have another concealer that I wanted to use, but I'm going to use this one. This is from EXI, and I don't even know what number that is. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this over my eyes because I think with, and this is way too much. I'm just going to wipe this off my hand because I don't really put too many things on my eyes. Try to imagine I'm going out in public looking like this. People are going to say, what are you on, babes? You forgot to take your medication today. Oh my god, this is way too much concealer. You see, a little bit of these concealers goes such a long way. So I'm just wiping my brush down, and let's just take a moment to blend this out. And I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend that down. I hope this concealer works with the eyeshadows, because this concealer is pretty light, as you can see. I think that looks alright. I blended that down. So I'm going to be using the colors only from this palette. Let's go. And I'm going to finish my face off camera, including the lashes and all that. And I'm going to come back and give you guys a final thought on this palette. Okay, so I'm just going to take out the little sponge thingy that came with it, and I'm just going to reach for blender brushes now. So again, these are the colors right here. Okay, I'm not quite sure what you guys think about this palette, but I'm going to start with the darker color in the middle, and let's go. Well, with the concealer, it seems to work. It has a very slight shimmer to it. It looks much darker in the palette, and it's the one in the middle here that I'm using. This one, right? Wait a minute, yeah. This one right there that I'm using. This one right there. The downside is it doesn't have the names on the palette, so I don't know what the colors are. So the color looks really dark in the palette, but it goes on really light. So we have like a grayish color in the end. So I'm just going to take another blender brush and see if I can do something with the corners. And again, I think these are all shimmer colors. Let's see how this is going to work. I'm trying to give my corners a little bit of a smokiness, but the colors are really, really light, and you have to go in several times just to get some pigmentation. Okay, let me just see if I can do a slight cut crease and see if that's going to work. Back with the EXI concealer, and let me just use a small brush here and see what we can do. I'm going to use the goldy color to the end. I'm just going to do like a half a cut crease or something like that. So let's just see. And we're going to go back in with the darker color to the end. We're just going to blend this in. Back to the sponge and just blend this together. And we shall just see how this is going to work out. Okay. Back to the dark color. And we're just going to try to blend this together a little bit. Back to the sponge. And we're just going to blend this in. And I mean, this is kind of a cut crease. It's not like perfect or anything. Let's make this a little bit brighter. I am now going to go in with my eyeliner. And this is from Rituals. I'm just going to take my black eyeliner and I'm going to line the waterline. I'm just going to take my black mascara. This is from L'Oreal Paris. And I find this black mascara gives me a little bit of a length. I'm going to be going in with my falsies anyways, but I thought I should just put a little bit of this on. If you don't really want to wear false eyelashes, get this mascara from L'Oreal Paris. It's a good one because, like I said, it does give you some length on the lashes. And this is what it looks like, and it pivots so you can hold it and do your lashes, and you can just, it's like that, okay? So let me finish my face off camera and I shall pop back in 1 minute, guys. Okay guys, I'm back with the full face of makeup. I did everything else off camera. It's really not about the foundation today, it's about the eyeshadow palette. This is not one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes at all. It's I really don't like this palette. The colors are really, really hard to work with, and you have to go in with an eyeshadow base, and you have to use like a concealer just to get that pigmentation popping, or you can use glitter glue just to make the you know, the shimmer colors pop a little bit, because on its own it's not going to work. I used a darker color on the hood of my eyes. The eyeshadow doesn't have any color, so I can't tell you which one. So the darkest color, which is like a brown color, soft shimmer color on the hood of my eyes, and then I went in with another color just for a little kind of cut crease sort of thing, and the darkest color to the end, which is like a grayish color, I tried to do a little bit of a smokiness to the corner of my eyes, and it is just okay. It's not one of my favorite palettes. It's not one of those palettes I'm going to be reaching for an everyday use, you know what I mean? As you can tell by looking at my eyes, it looks a little bit almost ashy on the hood of my eyes because of the shimmer colors, and shimmer colors on its own on hooded eyes does not look good. Okay, you have to always go in with something matte on your eyes, something a little bit darker, just to be able to get that, you know, the eyes popping a little bit. but it's just an okay palette. I don't really like it. Again, really hard to work with. I didn't bother using the brushes because it makes no sense. I'm going to be using the brushes another time for something else, but again, I did not pay for this palette. Thank God I didn't, because I wouldn't have spent my money buying this palette and then the pigmentations were a little bit hard to work with. That's just my opinion. Other people may have different opinions about this palette, and I think Seprofe, I don't know if you guys are watching or not, you need to do something with the pigmentations because it's not coming across properly at all, especially if you want to market this for a wide range of people, including people with dark skin like myself. The pigmentations are not coming across properly, so you need to work on the pigmentations and make that a little bit brighter. And the pigmentations on its own is a little bit too dull, okay, for my liking. This is the best I can do, and this is the best I came up with this look. It is just satisfactory to me, but it's not one of my favorite palettes I would be going for. So that's just my honest opinion, and I'm not going to say anything else because it was sent to me for free. You know what I mean? If something was sent to me for free and you want a review, I'm going to give you a review. It's not one of my favorite palettes, and again, like I said earlier, the pigmentation is just a little bit too dull, especially for dark skin. Okay? Having said that, this is the end of the video, and I do hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts in the description box. Please subscribe, thumbs up this video if you wish. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!